Is PiCoin going to be worth $100? That is a question that most of the owners, holders, and miners are asking themselves. We are going to try and explain a lot about the price of the coin and where it might lead in the future. This is why you should stay with us till the end of the video. We have checked the analytics of this channel and found out that most of you are return visitors. That is why we have a surprise for you. Today, you can get up to $2,800 bonus on the exchanges Bybit and Femex. And getting this money is really a piece of cake. All you need to do is click the links down in the description, sign up, and make your first deposit. You shouldn't miss this chance as it is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Let's start our video. Let's get back to our topic, the price of the PiCoin and the future of the Pi network. The answer to our question, if the PiCoin is going to get to $100, simply is no. But don't get disappointed now. The answer is no because of the technology of the coin and its schedule that has been predetermined by the developers of the coin. The Pi developers are doing what they call halving so they can maintain the scarcity. The project says that, when first launched, the base mining rate stood at 1.6 Pi an hour, halving to 0.8 Pi once 100,000 users were on board. A further halving to 0.4 Pi an hour followed when 1 million users started using the app. The latest slash to 0.2 Pi an hour came after its user base swelled beyond 10 million. They have more than 20 million users at this time now. And recently, we noticed an interesting tweet from the official Pi network account. Their tweet was saying, "Mine at a higher rate while you can. The mining rate may halve, or fall to zero at mainnet when Pi reaches 100 million engaged pioneers. Don't miss out." Pi is being mined with a mobile phone, but instead of using the CPU and burning energy, Pi secures its ledgers when members vouch for each other as trustworthy. This forms a network of interlocking security circles that determines who can execute transactions. This novel approach allows crypto mining on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections with no financial cost, no battery drain, and a light footprint on the planet. Read the technical section of their white paper for more accurate and detailed explanation. Most of the people and experts are giving some prognosis on the price of PiCoin. Some of the most optimistic PiCoin price predictions tend to come from those who have downloaded the app. Some have suggested that a single Pi could be worth anywhere between $10 and $100 right now. However, there's absolutely no evidence to back this up, and the team behind the Pi network hasn't released much information on the project's progress. A concise PiCoin price prediction for 2021 is much sought after. Let's get a little bit more familiar with PiCoin, their technology, and philosophy. Their white paper reveals almost everything. Pi's consensus algorithm builds atop SCP. SCP has been formally proven and is currently implemented within the Stellar network. Unlike Stellar network, consisting mostly of companies and institutions as nodes, Pi intends to allow devices of individuals to contribute on the protocol level and get rewarded, including mobile phones, laptops, and computers. Below is an introduction on how Pi applies SCP to enabling mining by individuals. There are 4 roles Pi users can play as Pi miners, namely, Pioneer, a user of the Pi mobile app who is simply confirming that they are not a robot on a daily basis. This user validates their presence every time they sign into the app. They can also open the app to request transactions. Example, make a payment in Pi to another Pioneer. Contributor, a user of the Pi mobile app who's contributing by providing a list of pioneers he or she knows and trusts. In aggregate, Pi contributors will build a global trust graph. Ambassador, a user of the Pi mobile app who is introducing other users into the Pi network. Node, a user who is a pioneer, a contributor using the Pi mobile app, and is also running the Pi Node software on their desktop or laptop computer. The Pi Node software is the software that runs the core SCP algorithm, taking into account the trust graph information provided by the contributors. They are saying that users can play more than one of the roles. All roles are necessary. Thus, all roles are rewarded with newly minted Pi on a daily basis as long as they participated and contributed during that given day. In the loose definition of a miner being a user who received newly minted currency as a reward for contributions, all 4 roles are considered to be Pi miners. The definition of mining is more broad than its traditional meaning equated to executing proof-of-work consensus algorithms such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Pi's value will be backed by the time, attention, goods, and services that you will be able to buy from other members of the Pi network. By pooling our attention, goods, and services around a common currency, Pi's members seek to capture more of the value that typically goes to banks, technology giants like the IT companies, and other intermediaries. If you decide to mine Pi coins and to become part of the network, you should know that you can increase your hourly earning rate in two ways. The first way is to build a security circle, and the second is inviting more members to join the network. The feature of building a security circle as a contributor will be unlocked after 3 days mining as a pioneer. Daily tap to prove being a human. Inviting more members to join the network as an ambassador is available since you join, and each person who signs in using your referral code will give you both a 25% booster on your hourly earning rate when both of you are mining. These things are the essentials if you want to start mining. The network is going to enter the mainnet very soon, and as information is coming up, they are saying that there are already a number of testers that are doing the necessary tests for the mainnet. As you probably know, this final stage of the development of this coin is for the coin to get out on the market. If that happens very soon, then all the holders and miners will be able to trade and even buy and sell some of the goods and services. Already, there are some predictions that the coin will get to the value of $100, but that will probably be after some time of the launching. No one knows when this is going to happen, but that does not mean that is impossible. There are cases that some coins have already been traded. The problem is time. And in reality, it is hard to expect this price in 2021. Once Phase 3 launches, holders will be able to take full control of their private and public wallet keys and use the coin to buy products and services on Pi's peer-to-peer marketplace or exchange it for fiat currency. Without the keys, users cannot transfer or spend the currency they hold. The Pi mobile app acts as a cryptocurrency wallet, linked to a user's phone number or Facebook account. As with other public blockchains, the Pi blockchain will allow external wallets to hold Pi coins and transact with them by submitting transactions directly to the blockchain. However, unlike other blockchains, its developers have not yet released its source code. As with other digital coins at launch, the Pi cryptocurrency's value is likely to start at a relatively low level against the US dollar and rise as its adoption grows. That is why installing the app and trying to mine as soon as possible might be a good investment. Although we cannot name this one as an investment because you are not investing anything. The app and the mining are completely and 100% free. That is why this is the only project that we recommend with 100% certainty, because you have nothing to lose. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please support our research effort by clicking subscribe and sharing this video with your friends. See you in the next one.